For preparing our samples and standards, you first need to pipette 5 milliliters of either the sample or the standard into each corresponding conical tube. So we're going to use a volumetric pipette for that. We need to have good accuracy for this portion of our experiment. So I'm going to use my 5 milliliter volumetric pipette. I've got my sample here, and I'm going to pipette this into the conical tube. You'll notice when you're doing this that the volume that is filled in the conical tube may not be exactly 5 mils on the line for the conical tube, and that's because those lines aren't very accurate. And that is also why we're using these volumetric pipettes. Okay, so we've got our sample in there. Now we are going to pipette in borate buffer and the FMOC-Cl. We just need 1 milliliters of each. So I'm using 1,000 microliters, which is 1 milliliter. I use different pipette tips for both solutions. We'll first put in the borate buffer. Pipette that in. And then 1 milliliter of the FMOC-Cl. Cap this tube, invert a few times, and then this is going to react for 30 minutes. All right, after 30 minutes, we need to begin the extraction procedure. So we're going to use dichloromethane to extract any excess FMOC-Cl that's in this tube. So excess meaning it didn't react with any glyphosate. So we have to get that out of the tube because it will interfere with our UV-vis measurement. And so to do that, we're going to add 7 mils of dichloromethane. And you don't need to do this using a pipette or anything. You can just pour that into the line. So cap that. We're going to cap our dichloromethane. Make sure this cap is on good and tight. Invert for about 30 seconds. And then you will next centrifuge